I'm Nikki.
And I'm Jessica.
Welcome to Pronounce. Today's lesson, lip exercises. Okay, Jessica, just relax your lips and put them together like this. And then breathe out through your lips like this. That's it, good. To make it easier, you can put your hands here and push your cheeks up like this. Is that easier?
Yeah.
Yes, again. Good. Now, do the lip roll again and add a voice like this. Good. Are your lips relaxed?
Yes.
Okay, let's try another exercise. This time, push your lips forward into a kiss like this. Good. And now pull your lips back into a crazy smile like this. Forward, back. Forward, back. Forward, back. Good. Let's try one more lip exercise. This time, push your lips forward again into a kiss. And this time, you're going to open your mouth and really stretch your lips open like this. Kiss. And then back. Kiss. And back. 2 more times. Well done. Do your lips feel more relaxed?
Yes.
Excellent. Well done.